are back with 843 TV at Coastal Discovery Museum, and we're always learning something, and perfect because Dawn here is the Director of Education, and you're going to tell us about what's happening this fall.
We have so many wonderful things happening this fall, so there's a long list of opportunities, so I would encourage everybody to check out, you know, the Instagram, the Facebook, our website to see everything. But just to give you a quick idea, we have programs, a Discovery Night at the Museum series, and those are most Thursday nights. And the idea, it's hands-on, it's learning about history and nature and art, and they're a lot of fun to do. Yeah. Most Wednesdays we have a lecture series, and we bring in different experts from, again, art, history, nature, artists, historians, authors. We bring them in and they share their expertise with us. We've just started a new series called Behind the Scenes, and so that's an opportunity for people to come and learn with one of our staff members and kind of get a glimpse of different areas at the museum that you might not see or hear about without that staff member. Yeah. So lots of fun new things going on. We partner with Waddell Mariculture Center, and we're starting to offer tours with them. And we also have a special 3-day basket class coming up where people are going to sew their own sweetgrass baskets. So it's 3 hours over 3 days with our basket sewers, and we're really excited about that one too.
That's a lot just right there, just for fall. And so are there fees to any of these things? And I know a lot of things are for free here.
Yes, absolutely. So coming around and exploring the property, there is no fee. You know, you're welcome to make a donation, of course.
Right.
But most of our programs do have fees associated with them, and so people can go online and check out our registration site and find out what the fees are there.
So you obviously need a lot of volunteers. Tell us about a docent program that you've got or just recently had.
Yeah, so we're so fortunate. We have a lot of really wonderful volunteers here at the museum, and we do need volunteers to help us lead our education programs. So we have volunteers that lead our history programs, lead some of our walking tours, that lead some of our animal programs. So we have some docent trainings coming up in the next few weeks. And actually on October 1st is kind of a new docent training day, and that's an opportunity to come and learn about all the different programs that are docent led, just kind of see what piques your interest and what you might be interested in continuing to train for.
Kind of find your niche, a particular passion, and that encompasses a lot of things. You said animals, art, all kind of options to learn about. So that night they can come, hear what's available, and then kind of decide from there.
Absolutely, yes.
That sounds neat. What about ages of volunteers? You're looking for any specific age groups, or?
Yes, for the most part we do ask that our volunteers are 18 years old or older. In the summertime we do have some different opportunities for younger volunteers, but for the most part it's 18 years and older, please.
Now, a lot of the education programs involve the school kids and programs and groups coming in this fall, so I've got to imagine you've got a lot of things going on with that.
Yeah, so we had a great summer, but we're very happy to be back to schools back in session. And we do a lot of programs with our local schools. And so they either come here or we also go to the schools to provide programs there if they're not able to travel here. We also meet schools at some off-site locations like the beach or Pinckney Island. So we really enjoy being able to provide experiences for our local school students that have to do with history and nature and correlate with the standards they're trying to cover in their classroom as well. We also recently added homeschool days.
Great.
And so those are pre-planned days that you can find on our calendar with a wide variety of different experiences for homeschool students and their families. We want kind of the whole group to come and experience that together. So that's the idea for those days.
That's great, because I think that's a group of students often forgotten is the homeschool, and there's quite a lot of families I know that do that around our area.
Those have been going really well, and we're glad that we were able to add those to our calendar.
Dawn, as we wrap up here with this segment, tell us anything else happening this fall, or what do you encourage people to do and how to find out?
Yeah, there's so much to do, and I love that. There's definitely something for everyone. So I would encourage people to go online, to go to our website, to check out Facebook, to check out Instagram, and take a good look at all the different things and just see what appeals to you. We do have, like I said, a wide variety of programs, but also just coming and enjoying our property. And we have some great walking tours around our property, including things like Explore Honeyhorn and Bugs in Bloom, and fall's a great time to do those walking tours.
Yeah, especially if the weather's cool. Right now is absolutely beautiful. So I know I always love coming out here. I'm always amazed at the new place we find to film, the new exhibits. So thank you for sharing with us about the programs. And thank you all for watching 843 TV, where communities come to speak.